Good morning, student. Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today, we will read the new chapter, Our Changing Earth. So, before starting the chapter, student, we have read in the newspaper or seen on the television about nature's fury. Okay? So, nature's fury means what? That means the sudden changes that occurs on the earth's surface. That sudden changes that occurs on the earth's surface. So these are due to the sudden movement that originate within the earth. And the long geological history of the earth shows the mountains and plateaus are rising, plains are being built up, and sea floor is spreading. So these are the result of different landform. So these are the result of different landform. So all these make it clear that our planet Earth is dynamic in nature. Our planet Earth is exactly dynamic in nature. So it believes, even it behaves like a living mobile thing. What behaves like a living mobile thing? The planet Earth. In the previous chapter, we have already studied the face of the earth is continuously changing due to the internal and external forces. Internal and external forces. Millions of years of geological change has modeled the present face of the earth as we see it today. So, there is a continuous evolution of landform on the earth. There is a continuous evolution of the land on the earth. And this evolution of landform has been taking place due to two type of forces. What? Due to the two type of forces. So first is your endogenic forces and second is your exogenic forces. Endo means inside. Okay girls? The endogenic forces in the word endo means inside. And genic means origin. And exo means outside. And the word genic means origin. Okay? So, the word endogenic forces, it means the tectonic forces or internal forces originating from the interior of the earth and acting on the surface. I am repeating again. Endogenic forces means the tectonic forces or internal forces originating from the interior of the earth and acting on the surface. So example of endogenic forces are the sudden forces like your earthquake, volcano and landslide. What is this? The earthquake, volcano and the landslide. So okay, and moving to the next, that is exogenic forces. So exogenic forces means external forces like agent of erosion, weathering that act on the earth's surface and shape out different landform. Again, the external forces like agent of erosion, weathering that act on the earth's surface and shape out different landform. This is known as the exogenic forces. So, in exogenic forces, there is the erosional and depositional activity take place. In that, river is responsible, wind is responsible, sea waves is responsible and glaciers are responsible. So, what we have studied today girls? We have studied about the evolution of landform that plays due to two type of forces. First is your endogenic forces and second is your exogenic forces. Endogenic means inside and exogenic means outside, and both are the origin, means those tectonic forces or internal forces originating from interior of the earth are your endogenic forces, and external forces like agent of erosion, weathering that act on the earth's surface and shape out different landform. This is your exogenic forces. So in the next class we will study in detail about the endogenic forces. Thank you class.